Passive voice, present perfect tense and singular form. Use passive voice when the doer of the action is unknown or unimportant. The key has been lost. The test has been taken. The book has been read. The song has been sung. The ticket has been sold. The record has been kept. The email has been sent. The photo has been taken. The idea has been shared. The house has been built. The car has been washed. The bag has been packed. The box has been packed. The letter has been written. The test has been graded. The dish has been cooked. The picture has been taken. The goal has been scored. The repair has been made. The order has been placed. The room has been booked. The form has been filled out. The puzzle has been solved. The plant has been watered. The dish has been washed. The room has been cleaned. The ticket has been booked. The goal has been achieved. The file has been backed up. The lesson has been taught. The course has been offered. The game has been played. The step has been followed. The invitation has been sent. The task has been assigned. The book has been borrowed. The message has been sent. The file has been organized. The goal has been achieved. The ticket has been booked. The plan has been executed. The task has been delegated. The purchase has been made. The project has been initiated. The data has been analyzed. The benefit has been provided. The update has been shared. The option has been explored. The activity has been planned. The result has been published. The item has been packaged. The error has been corrected. The project has been initiated. The room has been painted. The option has been explored. The activity has been planned. The request has been fulfilled. The email has been received. The course has been offered. The class has been attended. The update has been installed. The movie has been watched. The decision has been made. The problem has been solved. The delivery has been made. The plan has been executed. The question has been asked. The purchase has been made. The show has been cancelled. The project has been finished. The course has been offered. The item has been packaged. The update has been shared. The data has been analyzed. The task has been delegated. The task has been completed. The report has been reviewed. The window has been cleaned. The dance has been performed. The instrument has been tuned. The document has been signed. The chore has been completed. The challenge has been faced. The purchase has been made. The report has been generated. The benefit has been provided. The purchase has been made. The option has been explored. The activity has been planned. The issue has been addressed. The contract has been signed. The result has been published. The survey has been distributed. The report has been generated. The employee has been trained. The meeting has been recorded. The student has been educated. The report has been generated. The message has been archived. The result has been published. The student has been educated. The survey has been conducted. The procedure has been followed. The meeting has been recorded. The review has been conducted. The campaign has been launched. The resource has been allocated. The initiative has been launched. The survey has been conducted. The student has been educated. The survey has been conducted. The procedure has been followed. The meeting has been conducted. The survey has been distributed. The procedure has been followed. The message has been archived. The meeting has been recorded. The activity has been planned. The employee has been trained. The survey has been distributed. The initiative has been launched. The meeting has been recorded. The review has been conducted. The record has been maintained. The meeting has been conducted. The strategy has been developed. The campaign has been launched. The resource has been allocated. The strategy has been developed. The document has been scanned. The message has been received. The computer has been upgraded. The task has been accomplished. The decision has been discussed. The strategy has been developed. The meeting has been scheduled. The agreement has been negotiated. The decision has been implemented. The product has been manufactured. The suggestion has been considered.